changing these Dyson filters are really easy. The only problem with mine today is I got the wrong filters for my fan. So let me show you how this fan works. You just press these little side buttons, slide it up, and the filter is on the inside. The manufacturer of these fan filters reached out to me and said, can I send you some? And I said, yes, you can. I'd be happy to do a review on it because I wanted the extra filter. It just turns on I have the wrong fan. So these filters that they sent me, that I'm now going to need to send back, they work on a slightly larger Dyson fan. You can find videos online showing the installation, but basically, instead of this coming off the top, there's two C's that meet, and you push down and they just come off the side. And inside that, you're going to have these carbon filters, and they clip in. And then you're going to have these HEPA filters, which then, instead of this casing being a circle, it's only a half circle, and the gray casing fits on the outside. This clips in, and then that clips into the unit. So again, both sides clip in, and then you're done. So I wish I could give you a better review. I just have the wrong fan. But these filters look great. They're a fraction of the cost of the name brand. These are the HEPA, so it's going to get a lot of the allergens and dust and stuff out of the air. And then the carbon is that extra level. You can hear the carbon activated in there if you shake it. Anyway, I've been reading the reviews on these, and I was really excited to put these on. I just have the wrong fan. But they look like quality. They feel like quality. And yeah, sorry I can't show you any better than that.